Hi, this is Sabrina from Faileas Creations, and I'm bringing you another bead haul. I got this down at in Greenville, South Carolina at Restock. It is a store that sells repurposed crafts. So instead of taking it to Goodwill or whatever local thrift store you have, you drop it off to this store that specializes in crafts. So, I got this purchase for like around, like under $25. So, we're going to get into it. But I got a special guest. Let me see. With me, my granddaughter, Naomi. And she is going to, get her opinion, tell me what she thinks of some of the things. So, everything's laid out like this. But I'm going to put some of this stuff to the side, so she can help me with this part of the bead haul. So this right here, I got this for like, I think this was $3. And it has a lot of shiny beads. Guys, give me just 1 second. Okay, Naomi, now you tell me what you think of this stuff. Remember that loud voice I was telling you about? So Naomi, what's this right here? What do they look like to you?
Eyeballs.
They're eyeballs. Do you think you can make a good... What do you think you can make with this? So what's eyeballs are on?
Faces.
That's right. You can make a face with that. And look at them. Where would you put that at, you think?
I think your nails.
You could put some on the nail. Look at that. That'd be good for a nail too. You think that'll make a good earring?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will. What are these called, Naomi? Like cotton poops or something.
Yeah, I think one of those. Or pom-poms?
Pom-poms. That'd be a good idea. It'd be kind of cute if we could put some cloth on it and make an earring maybe. What you think? So what's this right here?
It looks like a earring if you hook it up on something.
If you hook it up on top right there,
Yeah.
it sure could be. But what is that? Can you tell?
An angel.
It's an angel. It's an angel. That right there looks like a, what is that?
Ballerina.
A ballerina. And it has two sides to it. Look at there. You like anything else in here? What is that? Like, put it right here so the camera can see. Nope. Put it in your hand. That'd be cute. Maybe make a necklace out of it.
Yeah, like one right on your body.
That's right. I think that'd be a good idea. All right, so this was $3. So let's see. Now, this right here, it was a lot neater than this. But I had been making this pocketbook. I didn't have this pocketbook with me, but what do you think about making beads on the bottom of the pocketbook, Naomi? What do you think? You like that?
Yeah.
You think it matches okay?
Yeah.
And this right here, I want to say was like 50 cents. It's a little bit of nothing for these. But I think it'll go really well with that. And what are these, Naomi?
I do not know.
Maybe they're like flowers. I don't know what we can make with them. Do you? I don't either. But that'd be...
them a necklace, though.
You know, that would be kind of cute, a necklace or a bracelet with it. Make it dangle. I think that'd be really cute. That's a good idea. This was $5. This was really, really awesome. I have a hard time keeping up with findings. I don't care how many I buy. You know, like this. Let me see. There's some. Look, them are lobster claws there. And there's lobster claws there. I can use this up in a day. Oh, look, Naomi. You see this right here?
Yeah.
We could take one of these and one of these, look, and glue it to that finding like that, make an earring.
Or how? Yeah. Well, how about we put something else on it, like a little bit, like a
Like maybe,
face on it. So.
oh, and put a little face. There's little bitty faces right here, a little bitty eyeball right here. Look at there. And put that on the, oh, that'll be a good idea.
Like boop, and then the eyeball.
Put the eyeball on it.
Yeah, like.
That's a really good idea, Naomi. So let's put this. We're going to put this back in here, and we're going to put it all right here. And let me see, get a little small bag or something. So we're going to scoop these eyeballs out. Well, no, that's it. The eyeballs are right there. So we're going to leave that to the side, and we have to make something out of that. That's a great idea, Naomi. And this right here, look at there. I looked up and got some beading needles in its stash. Really good deal. Okay, guys, and this has a ton of findings. See all the jump rings and these little clamps like this, which I was thinking would make a great some earrings. You know, put the earring finding right there. Make something that dangles. There's a couple of bags of even more lobster claws and jump rings. I think that's antique right there. And look at these nice big ones that may be maybe an inch long, maybe half an inch, something like that. Love, love, love that. I also found some washi tape. I was thinking about trying to do put this in resin, and that right there is little bitty mustaches. I know the camera don't show, but I thought that was really pretty. I got this package of glitter, very fine glitter. I'm gonna show you one real quick. I don't want to make this video too incredibly long. All of them is really fine, really fancy glitter. And this whole bag right here was only, let me see, was only $1. Can you believe that? That's a great find for it. Now these bags of seed beads was $1 a piece for these. Got a little bag of different colored pearls. They look nice. They look nice. I think they'll go good. This right here is some 10-O's, I believe. This is pearl color. And here's my 2 bags of this seed beads, different colors. And I had ordered some Arizona white turquoise that I cannot wait to make something with that. And this right here, real pretty beads. They're like silver lined in the inside. There's one of the little bitty. This is gorgeous. I had to pick this out. And I think this was $1. So relatively speaking, this was kind of expensive. But I don't know if you can see that well. But them beads are really pretty. The inside is like a purple blue color. Really pretty beads. And I happened across, look at that, a semi-precious stones. This was only $2 for this right here. Can you believe that? Look like it could be possibly some type of jade. Let me see, is there anything else? I don't think I added this on. Give me one second. These rolls of thread. I've been making little knitted stuff, taking my time making it. And these was $1 a piece. And look, the way you can tell how much is on there, if you look at the inside, let's see if you can you see that? How the rolls are right there? There's one, they look like there's 4. This one right here is a good many. Look like there's about, oh, let me turn this light on. Look like there's about 6 or even 7 rows there. You see how you count that inside right there? And this has 1, 2, 3. This has 5 as well in the inside there. So there's a lot in there. And guys, let me double check, double check. I believe that is it. That was such a great haul. And again, I got it for like under $25. So, and it's in Greenville. I think it's called Restock, and it is a store that resells crafting supplies, and it's about the size. It's taken. The building is an old Ingalls building. Oh, this right here. $2. It's just a thing of beads. They don't have any holes in it. Great to put in resin. The light blue. When you put it in resin, it looks kind of like bubbles and water. Can't wait to try that. But again, it's down in Greenville, South Carolina. It is an awesome store. You guys get a chance, you have to check it out. And I want to have a special thank you to my guest Naomi for coming by and showing me all the neat stuff that we're going to do with these with our little haul today. So y'all have a great day, and as always, continue beating.